Not much into boards and stuff, but this is it's already taken apart for me. So I'm not going to take this part naturally, but if I can get this out of here, I will take it. Come on. This is quite heavy. It's a nice sheet of steel. Pretty sure it's magnetic. We'll check it. It is not. So, well, don't know what it is, but adders. I mean, little copper coils. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with those baby transformers, but it's heavy. Yeah. Let's see if I can. Oh. So far, this is all I found. Yeah, it's just the back. There we go. See if there's any other goodies in there. I mean, I saw this back here, but I may as well take it. I've got nothing else to take. Oh, there's more of it down there. There we go. Yeah. I'll just kind of stay together. Yeah, I don't want to take this. That's glass. I want to fool with it. So there was some. I want to apologize for the video from yesterday because I was confused about the faucet handles. And yeah, there's cans, but no, not for aluminum right now. I was confused about which handles you guys were talking about, and I said I already scraped it, or brass. Well, no. Every one of you were completely correct. I said I scraped them, they were brass. No. The two little ones I took off, scraped silver. And you are no doubt right. I'll be for sure when I go to the scrapyard and have it checked, but yeah, they are not brass. So I apologize for that. Let's see if we can find something else. Right up the street from where I was just at. See this peeking out. Oh, that's not going to be much at all. And it's, yeah, it's very light. It's just aluminum. It feels aluminum. If it is, you're going to see me do something you've never seen me do before. Yep, I don't want it, but I'll take this. Oh, well, come on. Wow, yep. The heavy stuff's on the other end right there. Grab it by the corner. There we go. Very nice. Wow. So, now, maybe in here, no, I don't know. So I got I don't have my glasses on. I was checking to see if there were safety screws or what was in there, but oh, that's a nice PV. It appears they've taken the boards. Come on. I think. Okay. This is, you don't put this back that way. just this. Well, you know what? It's not much. It's probably only 4 or 5 pounds, but I'll take it. So that's all we found today. The microwave's a good find. But the other TV back, this, and that crappy light aluminum. Saw this hanging out of the corner. I don't know what it is. It's all vacuum cleaner. And I don't know that I want the whole thing. Wow. Yeah, I do want this. I'll tell you why. You're about to see. Come on. You gotta come out of there. Yeah, I'm gonna get it past the garbage bags. Yeah, look at how old school this is. Genesis. That's an old one, guys. That's gonna have some real good stuff in it. So I'm gonna take the whole thing. Now I just gotta get the cord out. Alright. Get the vacuum. Close this up. So yeah, it's Tuesday morning. I added this to the Monday video because, well, as you saw previously, I only had 3 decent stops, maybe. I think it was 3. Yeah, I didn't find much yesterday. So, but it's plastic. That's not rubber. We don't. Okay. Plug up front with me. So, yeah, I don't have my plug bucket in here again. But there we go. There we go. Get it up there and out of the way. Oh. Alright, well, I saw a little piece of scrap hanging out of the back of this. It's not much at all, but Jesus, that's pretty bad. It's all flooring or something. I don't see any metal down in there. All cardboard tubes and cardboard. Okay. Little piece of metal. Huh. Jeez. Pickings are slim today, y'all. Slim. Thought I saw something in here, but might be nothing. Oh, I see cords. Oh man, look. Yep, I'll take it. Is it? Has it been stripped? Come on. Yeah, it's been stripped. What's this? It's like a leather strap. Well, that's pretty damn cool. I'm taking this cord though. How about that? Nice little pile of cords. Yuck. Thank you folks for the nice cord. This may be absolutely nothing, but I saw this right here. Scrapper. Oh, there's a fan too. And some probably cast aluminum. Oh, hells yeah. Sweet. Look at that, guys. Oh, come on. That chunk of copper. Huh? Damn, you're straight. God bless America. God bless you folks. Thank you. Yeah, these might be... Well, let's see. Are they just plastic? You know what? They're plastic. No, I don't want to leave. Scree! Get out of my van. But I'll take that fan that's down there. There's a box fan. Get this stuff up out the way. What's this? That's a sure sign of something I don't want. Oh, it's just been cut off. Okay. Let's get the cord out of here. There we go. Normally I'd stomp the bejesus out of this, but I'm not going to do that here. Come on. If I were smart, I'd keep a drill. You know what? We have box fans at home. These are in good shape. I'm going to pocket these and take them home with me. So, what else is in here? Maybe. I keep thinking there might be more copper, but... Or is that just wishful thinking? Yeah. This is probably going to be the last piece I pick up. There's a couple of last pieces here. I'm seeing, well, seeing something more underneath this stuff. Little pieces of steel, more junk. All adds to the load. All right. Yeah, there's nothing to this except that little bit of wire. There's a piece of something. Okay. Yeah, I don't want this stuff. This fiberglass. Some wires. Now inside here, see them little contacts in there? That's brass. And that little stop right there in the center, I don't know if you can see that. That's copper. It's just tiny bits, but I take them. This was jammed down in there. There's probably more down below, but well, I'm going to make this my last stop. See if these are magnetic. Yep. So, a little more steel. I don't mind finding this kind of stuff. I mean, it's nicer to find it when the price is higher, but... Well, there we go, guys. I picked up this microwave yesterday. I got a fan. It's going to be copper in here. Copper in here. Copper in the motor on this. Copper in that vacuum cleaner. There's a battery right here. I don't know if this will go with regular batteries. I don't know, but morning. Morning. So we take what we get. All right, guys. I got back to the apartment here, and I decided to take a peek in the dumpster, and look what I found. Some bed frames. Sweet. Yeah, I have to chuck it in the side because I'm backed up against that little hill right there. So, but that's all right. It will fit. Sorry for the camera jump. Or the picture jump, because the headset I'm wearing, it's a good product. It's I got it from velocityclip.com, but because I'm bald, the metal buckles on it kind of dig into my head some spots. Well, guys, I'm going to call that a finished video. I know that I already called it after that last street stop, but I want to share with you everything I find. And when you find bed frames, they're a share. That stove is still here. So here's what's going to happen. Tomorrow, I'm going to the storage unit. No street run this Wednesday, just this Thursday maybe. I'm going to go to the storage unit tomorrow process some more stuff so I get more steel. Take that to the scrapyard so I can get a feel, find out what the steel price is. And if this is still here when I get unloaded, I'm going to put this in the back of the van. It's supposed to be sunny and warmer tomorrow and Thursday. That would be a bonus because those are my days off. But either way, we're going to be at the storage unit tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. See me? All right. My love to all of you. You guys have a great day.